Cherokee 9131 Kilo, Cap City Tower, runway 12. For now, fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 12, fly runway heading, 9131 Kilo. Problem.
Okay, good. Okay.
Right rudder,
Yeah.
centered ball. Airspeed's live, 34. Pulling up.
Number 9131 Kilo, contact departure 124.1.
Contact departure on 124.1, 9131 Kilo. Harrisburg departure, Cherokee 9131 Kilo, 1,400 on the heading of 130.
Cherokee 9131 Kilo, Harrisburg departure, radar contact, proceed on course, VFR altitude your discretion.
VFR altitude at our discretion, 9131 Kilo. Brunner's Island compared to 3 Mile Island, man, they're just going.
Yep.
So that's where they've got a heavy wind.
Number 31 Kilo, just be advised, parachute jump in progress over the Dongle Springs Airport below 10,500.
Roger that, we'll stay to the west or center of the river. Other than the turbulence. I wonder how much the hills are a factor in that.
A major part.
Yeah, but you think, well, I guess they're circling down into the void and then
Right.
just disturbing it.
Yep.